Breaking news, a major twist in the Ukraine war. President Trump has issued a bold warning to Vladimir Putin. If Russia doesn't back down, the US will hit them with massive tariffs and sanctions. But is this a smart strategy? Yeah, dangerous gamble. Stay with me because he details will shocking you. Welcome to Fluentio, where we break down global events in the simple terms. Today we are diving deep into Trump's sentence on Ukraine. What is he planning? Will this lead to peace? Yeah, push the world toward a bigger conflict. Let's go get in it. So what exactly is Trump saying? In a recent statement, he warned that if Putin doesn't agree to end the Ukraine war, and US will impose extreme economic pressure, high tariff, crushing sanctions. He's basically saying, and this war, yeah, we will make you pay. And he wears it gets really interesting. Trump actually called Putin directly. The two leaders spoke about a possible peace deals, but reports say Trump was firm. He wants this war to end, but is Putin listening? That's the big question. Meanwhile, Trump has been talking to Ukraine President Zelensky, and get this, he negotiation a massive deals that could give the US access to Ukraine critical minerals worth billion. But here's the twist. Trump is not offering Ukraine any security guarantees. He is saying Europe should handle that means for Ukraine future. And Europe, they are worried. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer rushed to Washington asking Trump to keep Ukraine and NATO in the loop, but Trump seems to be playing his own games. Will this create cracks in Western alliance? So what happens now? Will Putin back down? Yeah, is he just ignoring Trump threats? And what about Ukraine? Will they be left to fight alone? The world is watching, and so should you, because this situation is changing fast. This is a huge movement in a global politics, and I will be bringing you update as they happen. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification, and let me know in the comments, do you think Trump's strategy will work? Yeah, is this a risky move? Let's discuss.